The Cloud Gallery, Christina Hussey's Museum of Salidas Clouds. These clouds are from March 27th to March 29th. They are cloud types for 3 days in my hometown of Salida, Colorado, and useful information about these types of clouds. On Sunday, March 27th, above my house around 2:15, I saw these. On the left, I believe to be a cumulus cloud, and on the right, I believe to be a few cirrocumulus clouds. Cumulus clouds are often described as puffy, cotton-like, or fluffy clouds. Cumulus clouds are low-level clouds and often consist of water droplets, although in this case, in Salida, on this day, I believe them to be carrying ice crystals. Given that it was a sunny day, it was still very, very cold. Cirrocumulus are usually white and not much bigger than the size of your finger if you held it out at arm's length to the sky. On Monday, March 28th, again above my house, around 2:30 p.m., I saw these. I believe these or this cloud to be cumulonimbus. Please excuse the tree. It was the best cloud in the sky of that day. Cumulonimbus is from the Latin word cumulus, meaning heap, and nimbus, meaning rainstorm. This is a dense, towering vertical cloud associated with atmospheric instability. They are formed from water vapor and carried by a powerful upward current, and this makes sense. On this day, it was a rather windy one. On Tuesday, March 29th, I took these photos above my playground at work. I'm a preschool teacher. The photo on the left, you'll see the beginning edges of a nimbostratus cloud. You'll notice on the right side of the image, it's very sunny, blue sky, and if you were to pan further right, that's how the entire half of town was, nice and sunny. On the left-hand side is the beginning of the nimbostratus cloud, and if you were to pan more left, you would notice that it was gray all the way down the valley towards Buena Vista. You'll see in the middle of the screen, in the middle of the image, it funnels down the cloud into a more narrow, that there is the end of the valley and the beginning of the Bighorn Sheep Canyon. And it's very typical to see clouds kind of funneling that way, or often grouping up and getting stuck there, like forming this weird bunch of clouds sometimes. On the right-hand side, you'll see an image of the same cloud 30 minutes later. Now you can use the wooden archway there as a scale in both images as to I panned more right this time because the cloud had moved and took away the sunshine and covered the entire town. And should you look left in that image, you would see that all of Salida and towards Buena Vista was now gray. Nimbostratus is a low to middle level cloud. It has considerable vertical and horizontal length. So this type of cloud produces precipitation over a much broader or wider area of space. Thank you for watching. The slides and sound were done by Christina Hussey.